Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a beautifully balanced blend of classic design and modern audio tech, the Edifier S300 Hi-Fi tabletop speaker in brown. This is a premium wireless speaker system made for listeners who care about sound quality, versatility, and style. Right away, the retro-inspired wooden cabinet stands out. But don't let the vintage look fool you inside. This speaker is powered by a Sirius 80 WRMS amplifier, delivering rich mids, crisp highs, and controlled, room-filling bass. Whether you're listening to jazz, classical, pop, or podcasts, the sound remains clean and well separated even at higher volumes. One of the biggest highlights is high-res audio with LDAC, allowing wireless streaming at much higher bit rates than standard Bluetooth. This means better detail, wider soundstage, and more accurate reproduction, especially noticeable if you stream high-quality audio. On top of that, the S300 supports Bluetooth 5.4, AirPlay 2, and multi-room synchronization, so it fits perfectly into modern smart home audio setups. Connectivity is another strong point. You get USB-C, auxiliary input, and full wireless support, making this speaker compatible with TVs, laptops, phones, tablets, and turntables with preamps. Stereo pairing allows you to link two units together for a true left-right hi-fi experience, turning a simple desk or living room setup into a serious sound system. Edifier also includes a dedicated remote control, making volume, input switching, and playback control effortless from anywhere in the room. The solid wood enclosure isn't just for looks, it reduces resonance and distortion, giving you a warmer, more natural sound signature. If you want a premium tabletop speaker that delivers hi-fi sound, modern wireless features, and timeless design, the Edifier S300 is an excellent choice. Check the link in the description to grab it today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel by buying through the link below.